Let's start with the op-amp. Okay, what is exactly the op-amp? Op-amp stands for, OP stands for the operational, okay, and amp stands for the amplifier. Basically what it does to, it op amplifies the signal. Okay, like this is the basic symbol of the op amp. There are two terminals connected over there at the input side. One is the in negative, one is the positive. The negative side is known as non inverting input, okay, and the positive side is known as inverting input, and output is denoted by the output voltage. And this will provide two types of supply. One is plus VC plus VCC, and another will be VEE. Okay, remember remember in the transistor we have done VCC supply and VEE supply, right? So this is the basic terminal, basic op-amp symbol. And in this, see what is the exactly the inverting input and the non-inverting input. Suppose in the op-amp I'll provide in VEE, up one is VCC, up one is VCC and downwards is VEE. Okay, suppose if I'll connect it with a negative terminal, if I'll connect voltage with a negative terminal, okay, and positive terminal would be grounded, then in that case what would be the output voltage? Suppose we have given the voltage in this phase shift, then we'll get the output voltage in the opposite phase shift. Why? Because we have converted with the negative terminal. Understood? Like in this phase shift, first there is a positive, then there is a change in cycle, then negative. But in the output side, as we connected input to the negative terminal, negative means, as I told you, sorry, I tried to wrote it down opposite, it is inverting. Negative one is the inverting and positive one is the non-inverting. So in this case we'll get the opposite voltage. Opposite means first there is a negative supply and then there is a positive supply. Okay, clear? So there is a change in the amplifier magnitude also. As you can see that there is a change in the magnitude also. Here suppose the magnitude is 5 and here it may be the magnitude, it may be 50. Okay, suppose in the input side, if our magnitude is 5 and the output side magnitude voltage is 50, so how much is the gain? As I told you, gain, we always calculate gain. Gain is how much? That is output voltage divided by the input voltage. Output voltage means it is 50, input voltage is, it is 5. So how much is the gain? Gain is 10. Means what is gain? Because like it is increasing 10 times, increasing 50 by 5, so it is increasing 10 times higher, right? Like suppose I am giving you one example. I am speaking in a mic, like suppose my audible, my voice is 5, but my voice comes from the speaker, it is 50. So how much times my this mic increases my voice? That is 10 times, right? It increases 10 times. So what is this 10 time? This is known as the gain of the amplifier. Okay, this is known as the gain of the amplifier. So basically we are having two terminals. One is the inverting terminal and another one is the non-inverting terminal. If I'll connect voltage with a negative terminal, then it is known as inverting terminal. We'll get the output in the opposite phase shift, right? But if I'll connect the voltage with the positive terminal, okay, like this is the voltage V1, another terminal would be grounded. For this one is grounded and this one is again the supply VCC and VEE, and the output voltage is denoted by VE. So in this we have connected with the non-inverting output. Okay, so in this case my output will not be changed. My output will be same, but there is a change in magnitude only. Like suppose I'm providing the positive supply first, then the negative, and in the output also I'm getting the positive supply first and then negative, but there is a change in magnitude. Like suppose here the maximum magnitude is 5 and here the maximum magnitude is 50. Here also the gain will be how much? 10 times it is increasing. Okay, now you got the concept of what is exactly op-amp. Op-amp is an operational amplifier. We are having two input terminal, one output terminal, and we are providing supply to the op-amp. Got it?